Hello YouTube, it's Andrew the Bearded Giant, and I have a little update to my everyday carry. I have picked up a new pen and a new pocket knife, a new folding knife that I'd like to share with you today. So first, it's this pen here. It's the Skilcraft B3 Aviator. According to the box, it was specifically designed to fit military uniforms. What I like about it is aluminum. It is feels tough, it's lightweight, it's small, and I picked this up because I follow a Reddit subreddit called Everyday Carry, and there were some posts on this pen and it got some great reviews. It can be opened, or it can be deployed with one hand. See here, it has a blue ink. There it has a pencil, a mechanical pencil, and there's black ink. There was also a choice of black ink, red, and pencil, but I chose blue and black. It also came with two replaceable ink cartridges of blue and black. It is not a gel pen, but it still writes pretty nice. So there's the black, here's the pencil, and here is the blue. It really feels good in the hand, and you can open and close and switch between with one hand. Also, in the cap there is a little eraser. I don't use pencil a lot, but when I do, I suppose it's nice to have the eraser. And I picked this one up because the one I had carried, which I left at work today, the one I do carry, or used to carry, would always come apart in my pants pocket, and I found that frustrating. I have to reassemble my pen, but this won't do that. It just keeps spinning and spinning. So I'm pretty excited. It's also the first time I ever paid $27 for a pen. I don't think I've paid more than $2 or $3 for a pen in the past, but I'll give this a shot. Had some great reviews. I've had it for about a week and I've really enjoyed it so far. So this is new to my everyday carry, this Skilcraft B3 Aviator. This is a knife that is a Eafengrow EF220 tactical camping pocket knife. It's made in China. I wouldn't have normally purchased this, except I saw one in person. A friend at work has one and he couldn't recommend it enough, so I thought I'd give it a try. Has this nifty little black case. It's not very practical, but it's kind of nice. I've also been carrying this for a while. Oh, here comes my cat Data. She's coming in on the video. I don't know if that's going to make it in the video or not. But it has a D2 steel and a titanium frame, a ball bearing, swivel, and it's moderately heavy. My cat is on the table. She wants to be a part of the video too. Okay, it's not an assist, but it opens very smooth because of the ball bearing. and it won't open in your pocket. Let's see if I can show you. Right here there is a hole, or an indentation, and that meets up with this little nub inside the liner lock, and once it engages, it has a pretty solid feel, so it will not open in your pocket, but with one flick of the finger it opens really well. All it takes is overcoming that little pressure from the nub, and it swings right open. Feels really nice. There's no markings on it, which is very interesting, but it came sharp, works well. I haven't put it through its real paces yet. I've opened boxes, sharpened a couple carpenter's pencils, stripped some wire with it. But the fit and finish is really nice. It lines up nice in center, and everything is so precise. It almost feels like a fidget spinner, the way you can just flick it open with this ball bearing swivel in the middle. So anyway, that is what I'd like to share with you. Thanks for watching, and if you would please subscribe and support your local, please support your small YouTube channel. And thank you for watching, and peace out.